Hello, good afternoon, all.
The
Good
WhatsApp.
afternoon, ma'am. Listen, yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
Can
morning.
you
afternoon.
tell me your number, please?
Are you saying about
Ma'am,
my number?
No, ma'am. I know your number.
Then
I know your
what whose
number
number
for
are you
in the
saying?
everything
WhatsApp, right,
going on.
Adil? Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are
In the
you,
WhatsApp,
children?
right? I'm fine. What about
Fine.
you?
Yeah, fine.
Uttara?
Adiva sent it in the WhatsApp, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm also fine.
The WhatsApp, right?
Yardan, please turn on your video.
Okay.
I make my own. So, Ruby,
Right, Adil?
your number.
What's that?
My sister's color pencil box. I put on a lot of stuff. And look at this. I put on pen on it. That way I can click on it.
Uh-huh.
And I can call someone. Hello.
Okay, yeah.
And when
So,
I do like this, it is closed.
In I was checking the WhatsApp. Who was sending me hello? Who was that? I didn't see. I didn't see hello.
Aini, where's your
In the
background? And
WhatsApp,
Yardan, where is your
Alright,
one?
I'll put my background back.
You have to put your maze background, right?
What about Yardan?
Yeah, I
No,
was
no.
asking to
Fine.
Yardan also. Rayan, you too. You have to put your maze background, no, Yardan?
You was that put it as hello in the WhatsApp.
What all you are saying? Come on, come here.
So we
Stop
are
doing
In the
something else, okay?
WhatsApp.
It's class time, right?
I will become okay 1 minute. What's going on?
So, yes, children, we were discussing about tomorrow's assembly, isn't it? Hmm?
Yes. Yeah.
1 second, okay? I just need a minute.
Who is it to me hello in the WhatsApp? That is who. That is you. Fazil, that is you.
No. Oh, I forgot to put on my light.
You
Let me
sent to
put
me in the
my light
WhatsApp
on.
or email.
Email. Where do you live?
Ma'am, I don't have any image background.
Why, Ryan? You can find it from your
Sylvia, where do you live?
G3A live classroom. Go to G3A live classroom. From there, you can get a maze background. Maze
Ma'am,
student
I
background. You can
forgot to
see maze
put on
student
my light.
background.
Can I go and put it now?
What, Zenubia?
I forgot to put on the lights.
Yeah. Go and put. Yes, children. So, yeah, we were discussing on tomorrow's assembly, right?
Yeah. I
So,
think I can
what
do a
all?
freedom better.
So, what all program we can conduct, children?
I think I can do freedom fighter that you ma'am said. Ma'am, is it possible for to do a can I do a presentation?
What?
Can I like do a presentation?
Presentation.
Yeah, is that possible?
Yeah, of course you can make a
Like about
presentation.
Mahatma Gandhi?
Of course you can do.
Because that's what I want to do.
You can draw a poster.
I will do that.
Yeah, you can draw a poster or drawing display. Okay, you can draw something and display it.
I don't know what is
I will do that.
Everything should be based on Republic Day. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
So 1 second, let me take my book. Okay, let me note it down.
I don't know what is email, okay? I just heard it now. I have one question for you. You are Devadatta, you have in Devadatta, you know. I know he is asking about you. It's my friend also. One.
And I can't even contact Uttara anymore. Hey, Uttara, check your my Gmail. Why? For what? Your mate's Gmail, because I want to see if the mail thing works. Okay, Gmail, I've taken Gmail. 1 second, let me just send something.
Do you have any phone number for me?
Aini Jamsar, I got Aini Jamsar.
Yes, children.
Do you like
I
Aini?
don't have any phone number.
Yes, children. So can you say assembly public schedule?
I need to know.
Huh?
Until you have any phone number, you give me
Hello,
the
are
phone
you
number,
hearing
right?
what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I hear.
Assembly, what we can
So
do.
just say the republic
Assembly,
schedule.
assembly, right?
Just say what the republic schedule, Republic Day assembly schedule. Okay. Who can present it? Okay. Yes. Who will?
Ma'am, I will be top for the day, okay?
It's not a normal assembly, Arkan. It's based on Republic Day,
Magazine, you
right?
asked me about. Magazine.
So,
Ma'am,
who can sing national anthem? Aini, Zanubia, and I think 4 girls can you together sing national anthem?
yes, we can.
Yes.
We
You
can,
can,
definitely can.
national anthem can be sing first,
For girls, yeah, we can sing the national anthem.
and there will be a virtual flag hosting. Okay.
Okay. Like how? What's a flag hosting of girls?
In a slide. In a slide, I'll be showing that. Okay.
Yes.
Now, there will be a welcome address. Who can present this? Zanubia, can you do it? The presentation? No? Okay, Hawa, can you should take it so seriously, okay? Be prepared, very much prepare and come, children. Okay.
Yeah, but ma'am,
You say like
how will we do
any
this all
freedom
together?
fighters like that you said to me. I'm taking Jansi Rani.
Will you be wear a fancy dress for that?
Yeah.
Oh wow,
My
great.
mom can make it. When I was small, I was just a little, but
Yes.
my mom make one dress for me. Just
Okay,
like
so ma'am
this.
will present it, no
With
problem.
sari.
Okay, ma'am will present it, and I'll be saying the welcome address also. Okay. Now there will be a special speech on Republic Day. Who can do that? How are you will be doing as a special speech on Republic Day, right? Okay. By Hava, okay? Special speech on Republic Day by Hava. Now, we can do a patriotic song performance. Patriotic song. Who will do that?
What's the patriotic song, ma'am?
You don't know what's a patriotic song?
Action song, ma'am? That is on Sunday, is it?
That song you've been heard?
What song?
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा.
Yes.
They didn't know that.
I sing that by looking in my school.
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा. That one.
Can you sing like a full, please? Then I will understand what is that.
I don't know.
Sare Ram Sachalot, that is it not? Right.
Sare Jaham Sach is also a patriotic song.
Okay. I can sing that. Not
So,
now.
Zanubia, can you sing Janda Unja after the special speech?
Okay.
Okay, after the special. Look, first national anthem will be done by Aini, Zenobia, Hawa and Uttara. You will be together, you will be doing national anthem and we all will be standing and hoisting the flag. Okay? And after that, there will be a welcome address. And after the special speech by Hawa on Republic Day by Hawa, then patriotic song by Zenobia. Then, yeah, you can do, yes, Kirtanal is not. Okay, poster or drawing display. Who will be doing that? Zenobia will be doing that, no?
Like freedom fighter costume.
Yes, yes, yes.
What the voice will you do?
So, poster display will be by Zenobia. Or if anybody can make, any others can make, you can do that, okay? Hazel. Everybody can do that, poster making. Hazel, you can make in a Canva. Can you make a poster?
Can I make a poster?
Yeah. Those who are making in Canva can do that. And Zenobia, you can make in a paper or card, okay? Make it very
Which
colorful.
poster, ma'am?
Republic Day
Which
poster.
can do
Republic
it?
Day poster. And you can draw a drawing
I
also.
can do it that.
Okay, okay.
Like drawing of.
So, Zenobia, Yardan, and who all will be doing the poster and drawing display?
Uttara.
I didn't heard it that. What you tell?
Poster and drawing display. You all note it down, okay? Don't say for tomorrow you forget it. Okay?
Your mic is as text is coming.
Don't say tomorrow that you forget it.
Everyone is having a good sound in my laptop, but you are just.
Your mic is so you.
Okay. Azil,
Yeah.
will you do poster and drawing display?
Yeah. Can I do like in the Canva? Can I do Republic Day poster?
Yeah, Azil can do in Canva. Hawa will be doing the other one, no? The normal one, no? Uttara and Zenobia will be doing the normal display, no?
Like in the paper?
In the paper.
Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
we can make it.
So, what about Yardan? What type of display it is? Hello, Yardan. Okay, so Azil, next after the display, you will be doing quiz on Republic Day, okay?
Quiz?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
You have
I
to
will be
prepare
doing the
some questions
Republic
and
Day
answers.
poster.
We will be doing the quiz.
I will be doing the quiz.
Azil will do, no?
I can be do the Canva, ma'am. The Republic Day posters making like that.
Okay.
Why don't
You and Azil can do in Canva, Uttara and Zenobia. Uttara, if you have any trouble, no problem. You have to be prepare for the other one, no? The fancy dress you have to prepare, no?
Yeah.
Then I think you don't do the poster, okay?
Ma'am, which day? Tomorrow, right?
Ryan, you can do a poster on the Republic Day, right?
Canva.
Mom, I cannot.
Why cannot?
Now I am scared of the song. Only one day to study now.
No problem. The song you know, right?
Yeah, I've done it many times before. That 2 lines only I know. The
Okay.
rest
Just
of
sing to how much you know. Okay. Just be prepared for that. Only sing like how much you know.
Oh, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, what does it mean by
Ryan, you can also do a poster presentation. Okay.
Ma'am,
You don't have any Canva, ma'am. I think you don't have any Canva.
What can I do? Fancy dressing?
Yeah, you can also do. Uttara is doing.
You say the phone to do that. Because I think I have closed that match they did.
So Okay. Look at this. Azil will be doing the quiz on Republic Day. Azil, don't forget. Okay. And tomorrow be on time.
But I have to make the quiz. Yeah, you could just use one in the drive, maybe.
Yeah, quiz on Republic Day will be by Azil. And Ryan, what will you do? Can you do a poem on Republic Day? A poem based on Republic Day? You have to do something. A
I will
poem.
doing the Canva and the quiz in forms. Or Google
So
Drive.
after quiz, we'll be conducting the fancy dress. Aini, what will you be doing? Aini
Ma'am,
and
tomorrow,
Uttara.
right? We have to. Tomorrow you have to do, right?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay.
The fancy dress.
Fancy dress on which freedom fighter will you do? Will you be doing?
I don't know.
You don't know.
You can search in the Google and see.
Uttara will be doing Chansi Rani, right?
Ma'am,
Uttara?
can I do fancy dress?
Okay, you can do. If you want to do, you can do that. So Uttara, Aini and Zenobia will be doing that, okay?
Okay.
So you have to decide different people. So Uttara will be doing Chansi Rani. Aini and Zenobia, which one? Who will you be doing?
Mani Lakshmi Bai.
Lakshmi Bai.
Yeah.
Rani Lakshmi Bai is
Lakshmi.
actually Chansi Rani, right?
That is same as Jhansi Rani. No, it's not. Police we can be.
Police.
Yes.
No, you have
Ma'am,
to.
can I be that?
Whom dear? Who can do that?
I will not do that. I won't.
Nobody will do Gandhiji.
I know Gandhiji is the father of India, but still I don't even think I have enough clothes for that.
I done it in my old school. I have to shave my whole hair for it. I'm not doing it.
No, you can.
I've done it once.
Okay, leave it. So you three will be doing Jhansi Rani.
Yes. Yeah, that would actually be like.
You can search for some other freedom fighters. No, I'll just say.
But I wanted to do. I don't know who else I can want to be.
Sarojini Naidu. Someone can do like Sarojini Naidu, no? Kasturba Gandhi, Aruna Asaf Ali, Usha Mehta. Sarojini, can anybody like Sarojini? Should I display Sarojini Naidu here?
Yeah. Yes, I don't know.
Yeah.
I haven't.
This is Sarojini Naidu. Can anybody be like her?
His face is good, right? This is.
Okay, Okay, if you want to be Jhansi Rani, you can do that then.
Okay. Actually, I think for me, she resembles a little bit like Uttara for some reason.
Look, the fancy dress photos is this. Look, Sarojini Naidu.
I cannot do this.
Cannot do this.
I
Okay, what
have
about
only
Mother
one
Teresa?
saree though.
Who can do like Mother Teresa? Can anybody?
No, ma'am. I don't have all these clothes. I barely have one saree, which is orange.
Okay, so all of you need to do Rani Lakshmi Bai.
No, I'm not even sure anymore.
Look, Rani Lakshmi Bai fancy dress. All of you need to do like this.
Like a fake, fake.
Oh,
So okay, it's your wish. Anyway, you have to be ready. Okay. If
I'm not doing fancy dress.
you are not doing.
Me also.
What is this?
I didn't think this much heavy dress.
You can think.
No, I
You can be
know
like.
that it looks like this, but I just realized I don't have the clothes for it.
I don't have a frock like that.
I have
Only
a saree, but I don't have any
Just
of
try.
the
Just
other
try,
things.
children. Just try.
I can't
I
do
was
it.
very
so
happy when you
can't
said
do, I will
you are
message
ready
you.
for fancy dress. You can be like Jawaharlal Nehru, no? Jawaharlal
Message
Nehru.
who?
I done Jawaharlal Nehru. Right?
And
Indian Prime Minister, right?
Adil, can you be like Jawaharlal Nehru?
I have the dress for it. Yeah, I can do it.
Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru is actually children.
But I have to make the cap and the rose.
Okay. Anyway, everybody just try. Hava, what you'll be doing? You'll be doing the piece, no?
Ma'am, the only thing I can do is set up like just like India, nothing else.
What?
I can only dress like India, nothing else.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Ma'am, can I dress like India?
which
Like
one?
the
What?
Indian flag?
What do you?
Can I dress like the Indian flag?
For frock.
Can everybody put white tomorrow?
Okay. White? Yeah, white.
White. Yeah, I have so many white.
I have a white dress that could be perfect.
Yeah.
A white dress I have.
But Uttara can put the Chansi dress, okay? Chansi Rani dress.
Okay.
Whoever's doing fancy dresses put their costume,
Yeah.
everyone else put a white frock, right?
Yes, yes. Frock or anything. White. At least you can put a white shawl.
And can I put a green, an orange shawl or a green shawl?
Like Indian flag.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you can put that.
No. I have actually I have
White
a
dress
saree.
with
I have a white dress.
blue and green.
It's up to you. You can make it colorful, okay? So I'll just read. The first will be national anthem, then it will be welcome address, then special speech by Hawa. After that, patriotic song by Zenobia. Then poster or drawing display by Zenobia, Yardan, Ryan, and Azil. Okay?
Ma'am, can I do a poster?
Yeah, you can also. Those who, anybody can make poster. Okay?
I have to do a poster.
You please write and keep for those you are ready to do. Okay? Otherwise, you will forget everything.
Okay, ma'am, say it again.
First page.
Start from the start.
Hawa will be doing the speech for Republic Day and patriotic song. Zenobia need to do patriotic song. Zenobia will be doing the poster and Aini, Ryan, Yardan, and Azil all will be doing the poster. Okay. Uttara will be doing fancy dress of Jhansi Rani. Azil will be doing the quiz on Republic Day. Okay. Can anybody say any storytelling or poem reciting or something like that?
Storytelling, we can look and read it, no?
Now Zenobia don't do that. Okay, you already are you're there for poster and for what? Yeah, a patriotic song you are there. No, so don't.
Okay, national anthem also.
You have to.
Vande Mataram, who will be there?
What?
Can I do the story?
You have to do.
Ma'am,
Yes,
for Vande Mataram, who will be doing that?
patriotic song. Zenobia will be doing patriotic song.
Ma'am, for Vande Mataram, I can sing, you know, that we know a little bit.
Yeah, you can sing Vande Mataram also.
Ma'am, but the fancy, you said tomorrow wear all white, right?
Yeah.
So
For the people who are not doing fancy dress, I will decide.
For those who are wearing for doing fancy dress, they don't do that. Okay. Only
No,
the
like-
people without doing any fancy dress should wear white.
So I should wear the Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes. Or you can be Gandhiji, no, Azil. It will be very.
No.
You don't. You can just wear something.
Public say it is,
puppet or
but
something.
nobody is being. Oh, ma'am, I'll show you what I can wear.
I have did it and I have a video of it, but I don't want
I
to.
will check if I have white dress or else I will.
Okay. Anyways, Azil, it's up to you. Or if you want to do like Subhash Chandra Bose, you can do that also. Okay, Azil.
Oh, ma'am, I have an idea. I have this orange sari, an orange sari bottom, a red, a green shawl, and a white shirt, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm going to do. Today, this is our activity. Na class.
This is Subhash Chandra Bose.
I
And you can
know
do like
him.
Bhagat Singh also. Rayan, can you be like Bhagat Singh, Rayan?
Nice name, ma'am.
Rayan, can you do like Bhagat Singh?
I can.
Subhash Chandra Bose fancy
So I
dress.
have to buy this dress.
Poster I will do it after this class
Azil, you
itself.
can
It's
wear
like-
white and this, okay? You don't want
I have to buy this T-shirt if I am this character.
No, you can be freedom fighters. Netas. You can wear white and white also, no problem. Okay, for Bhagat Singh.
But I'm doing Jawaharlal Nehru, right?
Look, Gandhiji will be very good children. Look at this.
How much Gandhiji is there? Nice. You want some rings.
I don't have the the
You can
dress
just
for.
wear a cover over your head. That's enough.
Cover over the
I
naked
don't have
body.
dress for it.
No, what about you wear like a white shawl or
One
towel?
second, children.
A white shawl or towel could also work, right? Yes. Not sure.
Like I did this character before and I did.
You had the
I
shape
did this
as well.
character before.
I did Fancy Journey and Gandhiji also when I was small.
Then who can
Actually, okay, Uttara, did you try
do
to
that
send
then?
them?
Who can do that, children? Please, anybody do Gandhiji.
Sorry. What about Ryan?
Rayan, can you do Rayan?
I am living a there is nothing here.
Can't you get a white shawl or something like that?
A white shawl, yeah.
That's enough. It will be in online, no? So you don't need to be that much perfect.
It just will be organized so people
You
won't
can
see
wear a
it.
white pant and one shawl like this. That's enough. And you have to cover your head in this manner. Look.
Should I do this or not?
Okay, so Ryan, you will be doing Gandhiji, okay? Be ready and come for tomorrow.
Did Raya choose something to do it?
Ryan, don't you have a white pant? Yes.
ma'am.
Don't you have a white pant? Azil, can you do that Gandhiji then? Azil?
Me?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can
You
we
just wear a white
Can I
pant and
just
shawl
take
like this. That's
Can
enough.
I practice doing the national anthem in this class itself?
Can I just take a wooden stick instead of that?
Yeah, of course, dear. You can take that.
Okay.
It's not necessary to be that perfect. We have only 1 day time, no? So
Yeah, I'll
whatever
do
you
that.
have, you can get within that day. That only you have to do. Nothing more. Okay?
Yeah, I'll do Gandhi.
Okay, very good.
I have
So
one
Azil will be
correct
doing
diagram.
Gandhiji and Uttara will be doing Jhansi Rani. Okay? That is the two fancy dress here. And Azil will be doing a quiz. Rayan will be doing poster. Azil, if you have any trouble,
I am doing it, ma'am.
Yerdan, what you will be doing?
Ma'am,
I am making poster, ma'am.
Only poster.
me and your
Poster
friend,
everybody is
yeah,
doing.
We
Everybody is doing.
will be making a poster, ma'am.
Everybody is
Can I
doing
say
poster,
something?
Yerdan. Can you do
No,
a
can I
poem
say-
or storytelling like that?
Ma'am, please.
ma'am, can I do storytelling like model story?
Yes, I
Please.
can do storytelling then.
I am requesting. I have this.
Ma'am, can we just practice the national anthem in this class?
Yeah, of course.
Because
I
of
have
next Peter, I don't have anyone's number to even call them and slide.
Okay, I'll give you time after this discussion, okay?
I will give
The others
you.
can leave.
What is the next class? If I'm
And
asking,
anybody doing
someone
poem?
has to
Anybody
text
doing
me.
poem?
What?
Anybody doing poem?
No.
Okay then. So,
Ma'am, can I show you one background for the freedom fighters?
Yerdan, you will be doing vote of thanks, okay? Yerdan,
Yes.
you will be doing vote of thanks. Be ready for vote of thanks.
Okay.
So, I'll just read once again, children. First, it will be national anthem with virtual flag hoisting. After that, it will be welcome address that ma'am will be doing. And then it will be special speech on Republic Day by Hawa. Then it will be a patriotic song by Zenobia. Then poster and drawing display. Anybody can do poster and drawing display. Okay, anybody. Who and all can. If everyone can make it, it will be very much good. Okay. Now it
Ma'am, do
will
you
be-
repeat it again?
What? What dear?
Do you repeat it?
Which one?
You say the Republic Day.
Yerdan, why you kept off your cam?
No.
Turn it on. Yes.
Ma'am,
So Yerdan, if you want to do vote of thanks, you have to note it down fully.
ma'am.
Ma'am, we can do any song now.
Ma'am,
Patriotic song. Any patriotic song.
My sister said that I can do fancy dress
Why?
because there's like my sister can't what do I say? In the morning, my sister can't
Dress you up.
get ready. Yeah, dress you up.
Before the class,
And
you
then-
can't do that. It's very simple. No, not that much dressing and all needed. You can
But
just.
my sister is like forcing me to tell you. When did I scold you?
Call her. Let me see her, Azra.
My God.
Yes, Azra. What's the trouble, dear?
This simple thing that I'm scolding him, okay? Like, see, he wake up at like 9:20 and he tells that he wanna like get ready. He won't wake up early. So how can I
Tomorrow
dress
Azil
him?
will be waking up early, no Azil?
I woke up at like 8:50 and all, or 9:10.
Azil, I mean, Hazra, no, it's no need of that. It becomes so perfect, okay? No need of becoming so much perfect, Azra. You just want to get some like a white pant with a white shawl like this, and just one one stick on his hand, and no need of the cover head with a yellow cover or something. Okay,
Yellow cover or white?
white, anything is okay. It's up to you.
Okay.
Okay, we just want to know that it is Gandhi. That's enough.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any trouble, you just message me. Okay.
No, if it's like this, yeah.
Ma'am, in here we start our class on 7 o'clock. That's why I am not in the class.
Yes.
No, please don't
So
start the
Uttara
class
will be
then.
doing. Yardan, note it down. Okay. The first will be national anthem. You can when you say the vote of thanks, you have to mention all this. First is national anthem, then it is welcome address. Then it will be the speech by Hawa. After that, it will be patriotic song. And then it will be poster or drawing display. After that, quiz on Republic Day. Then, Azil, don't forget about the quiz, okay, Azil? Yes. Then it will be Azil's and Aini's, Uttara's fancy dress. After that, Aini will be saying a story, and then it is vote of thanks. We are done. Okay? Clear, children?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm very happy that you all are ready for doing everything.
Ma'am,
I got a
if I
very,
can
very,
put
very
it on it
enthusiastic.
or can put it there.
What, dear?
If I can do this, what is that? Poster, can
Yeah.
I make it in the paper and put it there?
Yeah, of course. If you
Okay.
have any trouble in making poster, it's okay. You don't want to make, okay?
Okay.
Okay then. So I think Yardan and Azil and Rayan also can leave. The girls, 4 girls can start practicing national anthem. Just sing 1 or 2 times. That's enough. Okay?
Now,
Yeah, now.
here.
Yeah.
Okay, can I take the national anthem? I will send you the email. Okay, bye.
Okay then. Yardan, don't forget about the vote of thanks and poster presentation.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye bye.
Just her
Rayan.
and you.
Rayan.
our date 3.
Tomorrow you have to make the poster, Rayan. Okay, Republic Day poster. Yes.
Oh my gosh, I need all the voice to leave. I'm not
Yes,
fully
Rayan and
ready
Azil can leave.
yet. Ma'am, no.
Bye bye. Have a great day. Don't forget and come, okay?
Our phone is not working. Why is that same again?
Yes. Yardan, Azil and Rayan, you can just leave.
Okay, then bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Azul.
Okay. So
Now
girls are
can
here.
you-
Now you can start practicing.
My
Ma'am will just
gosh.
turn. You can just sing. Who knows
Okay.
it very
Okay,
well?
okay, guys.
Anybody can
I
sing
know a
it?
little bit, ma'am.
You
Okay,
know
one
only little bit.
second.
It's shame, okay, that you don't
When
know
it's
national
time.
anthem.
And I was singing with the bigger
Okay,
one.
ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Start.
जनगणमन अधिनायक भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा तेलंगाना यमुना गंगा तब शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे तारे तब जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय
Yes, Azal.
My sister said that like for making a quiz, I need her help too.
Yeah.
But she's saying like she has to make her own too.
Okay, so
Like quizzes for the quiz, like I don't know how to like do it. And
You can use forms, Google Drive
you
or
can use Google,
forms.
no? You can use Google.
Or you can also use
You
forms.
just make your own question, Azal.
And can I make the poster?
What?
Can I remove the quiz and can I do the fancy dress and the quizzes? I mean the Canva.
Poster. Okay,
You can
so
you can
who
go
else
into
can give a
forms
quiz,
separately.
children? Uttara, can you do quiz? Or Aini, can you do quiz?
I can do quiz. Yeah.
Okay, then you just don't want to do storytelling, okay? You just do quiz.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do quiz.
Okay. Yes, Azal. Now you don't want to do quiz, okay?
bye.
Okay then.
Okay.
So,
We're gonna do this again.
Aini will be doing.
When we off your camera.
Me and Cynthia was singing, Anya and Hawa was just still there.
Yeah, you.
I was singing. It's just I wasn't singing.
Okay, anyway, you have to start together, okay? Anyway, you have to start together.
Ma'am, okay, off your camera and mute your mic.
Let's start once again.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
भाग्य विधाता गुजरात मराठा गंगा कुंज हिमाचल तब शुभाशिष मागे जाहे तब जन गण मंगलदायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय हिंद.
Only Zenobia sound is hearing, okay? And Uttara's little sound. You have to be together, children. Sing together, okay?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm singing.
But
Why
your
the
sound is not.
me?
Your sound is not audible, dear. While
Ma'am,
you
I will sing louder this time.
sing. Okay.
Okay, let's try.
The last one, okay? Then I'll just move.
Okay, let's go slower.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
जन गण नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना तब शुभ नामे जाहे तब शुभ गाहे तब जय गादा जन गण नायक जय हे
Okay, children, now you practice from your home and make it perfect, okay?
Wait, ma'am. Can you make like a group chat adding just all of us in?
Group chat.
Yeah, can you make it? Because if you make it, it will be possible for us. Our mothers won't allow us to do it like that.
Actually, what? I didn't get you.
Let us go. Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Actually, what? I didn't get you. What you said right now.
Ma'am, can you like make a group chat and add all G3A girls into it? Because or else our mothers won't allow us to.
Okay, just for today, okay? And after that, I'll just close it.
Yeah, ma'am. After tomorrow, you can close it. Just please, ma'am.
Actually, that's not allowed. Okay.
Please, ma'am.
Yeah, for today, I'll do it. Today, for your practice
Thank
session, I'll
you
do it.
so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Tomorrow you can close it, okay?
Okay,
You
tomorrow.
are one of the best teachers.
Tomorrow morning we can close it. But today, please, we want to practice.
Ma'am, add us, please.
Yeah,
Make a
yeah,
group
sure,
chat
sure.
and
I'll do
add-
it today. I'll do it today. Right now, I'll do it. You can start practicing and tomorrow
Ma'am,
we'll
what
just
will the name of the group chat be? We need to know.
Republic Day schedule.
Republic Day study.
I have
Republic Day practice.
40 minutes
Huh? Ma'am,
Republic Day practice.
on that.
Republic Day
I
practice.
can practice with you.
You are
Okay,
one of the best
can
teachers.
you all please, yeah, Hawa's, Uttara's and Aini's number, yeah, Zanubia's number is okay. Okay, then have a great day. Bye-bye. See you all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Don't forget and come for tomorrow, okay? Be very much ready. It will be perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye, all.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.